Ijele wa mama. King of the girl. So, can you give me now?
I'm so happy that we finally got to St. Mary's.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
And
we are going to push for that. No stopping.
Exactly.
No negotiation. The time of mercy and peace is over.
It is over.
We are not begging anybody.
Yeah.
No amnesty, nothing at all. All of them that are responsible for this thing that's happening in this community.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, so. Oh, yes. Yeah. Amen. 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 Yes.
Okigwe Izuogu Imo State ni last unu ni ile ha me ya anu a ya garikwara unu
amen
unu ko ihe nu biye mekwene
amen
ala obodo anyị ga-adịrịrị mma
oh yes
anyị agaghị agbara mmadụ ọsọ
atọ
pụtanụ bịa nụ akụ unu si n'ọgụ na agụ unu ga-alụcha ọgụ unu lụcha ọgụ a mbọsị ọzọ unu hụ ọgụ unu na-agba ọsọ nwanne m obi mbụ pọlị na pọlị ka esi akọwa nke a n'elu transfọma na-egosi ikwu m na dịka n'elu transfọma ndị mmadụ n'elu transfọma ndị mmadụ esuo ihe niile tụọ na waya
mazinki mee ihe niile Lanya MTN Max ebe mask receive this thing. How lose look to everything.
No go better for all of us. Until you people come out and confirm, condemn this thing, condemn your son and everything he did in our land. We shall never be well with you.
Amen. Amen.
Another Nnamdi Kanu will come out from you and it will be worse.
Yes.
Emmanuel Kanu didn't succeed to sell your land, but until you people come and condemn this thing, tomorrow another person will come and do worse from your place.
Oh yes.
Amen.
Oh yes. Oh yes. They hear the sound. They hear the sound. Very far. They hear the sound. They hear the sound. So they do. This is why you should not pray for. I see him. Bullet is flying. There's a flying bullet, you see. Are they come? No. Don't worry, flying bullet. Will they give their hair back? Will they give them back? They hear them. Their bullet don't finish. Now that one we shoot that in don't run. Their bullet don't finish, they don't run. Foolish people. My message goes to the people of Liulu and Orsu Imo with Iseke. These guys, we are pursuing them from Orsu Imo and they are entering your place. But somehow you guys fail to realize that you should be linking forces with Orsu Imo, because this valley is their main base. Every other place they will say would be an open place. It will not be a terrain like this. Now you need to support Orsu Imo Corporation is what's even clearing Orsu Imo. And those of you from Orsu Imo, you are very much aware that the army people in Orsu Imo who don't seem to be fighting these people for some reason. I will leave that one to the army intelligence to conduct their own investigation and find out what's going on. Those of you from Lille, you can also attest to the fact that you all are seeing how the military station there are not doing anything. But none of you wants to openly raise your voice. Iseke, I don't know if there's any army checkpoint there, but what I'm saying in essence is this. If these boys can be coordinating amongst all these communities, why can't those of us fighting them also coordinate? What are your bulldozers doing in Lille when you can bring these bulldozers to Orsu Imo, knowing very well that this is the only fighting force that is ready to fight these people? As we are clearing Lille too. All this dirty village politics, it helps no one. It helps no one. You people know you can't even do it yourself. So why are you not joining forces? Those your bulldozers, bring those your bulldozers to add to the ones we have. I guarantee you, before Thursday, the whole valley will be cleared. And that valley is also affecting you people. Once we clear the valley, it will then be easy for your local vigilantes to pick them out. Because once you remove them from the valley, we are going to station forces there. Those forces that will be stationed there automatically will be taking care of Lille. So this is what we need to do. You people need to reach out to Orsu people. If you are from Iseke, if you are from Lille, if you are from Orsu Imo, and as for you that calls yourself Orsu Imo, don't worry. Don't worry. Like I always say, none of the politicians you think are giving you cover. I don't care what political job you must have done for them, regardless of the political party. Of course, we know all of them are using you guys. Whatever you think you've done for them politically, you think will shield you from justice, you are lying. You are telling yourself that. I don't care how many people you people have compromised in the army, in the police, in the DSS, or any law enforcement or military apparatus. All of you. So, my good people of Lille, my good people of Iseke, and my good people of Orsu Imo, you people need to help and join in this fight. You may or even do it on individual basis. If you can be able to rent this thing, bulldozer for us, just get it to somewhere. You don't need to bring it here. We'll come and take it ourselves. Tell us where to come and get the bulldozer. We will come there, we will get it. Most importantly, in the Lille, you people really need to send those your bulldozers so this operation will be more effective. Thank you guys.